we need to use the limit laws to evaluate the limit as s approaches 2 of s squared minus 1 over s. If you want to, you can factor the top into s plus, s plus 1 times s minus 1. It really isn't going to change a whole lot here. Okay, so our steps are, since we have to use the limit laws, you have to go through each of these steps. This function is continuous at 2. So we could use the fact that since the function is continuous, we can use the limits. We can evaluate the limit by just evaluating the function at that value. However, we're not asked to do it that way. We're asked to use the limit laws. So if they say do the limit laws, here's what you have to do. First, we have to take this guy and we have to break it up. So we have the limit as s approaches 2 of s squared minus 1 over the limit as s approaches 2 of s. Now here's the trick. The reason we can use this is because this limit down here is not 0. If it was 0, you can't use this property. So let's continue. The top, we're going to split it up like this. The limit as s approaches 2 of s squared minus the limit as s approaches 2 of 1. Okay, now we've got one more split here. This is a product rule. So this is going to be the limit as s approaches 2 of s times the limit again as s approaches 2 of s minus the limit of this constant here, all divided by the limit as s approaches 2 of s. So here we've used a addition subtraction rule, and then over here we've used the product rule. So this right here, since this is an identity function, we can just evaluate it at this point. So this is going to be 2, that's what this guy is, times 2, minus, this is a constant, so minus 1, over 2, which is going to give me 4 minus 1 over 2, or 3 halves.